Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Welcome back, students. You are watching our channel Intelligent Kids. Today we will learn household vocabulary.
Door,
Door,
window,
window,
certain,
certain,
switch,
switch,
socket,
socket,
remote,
remote,
chair,
chair,
armchair,
armchair,
lamp,
lamp,
ceiling fan,
ceiling fan,
carpet,
carpet,
TV,
TV,
sofa,
sofa,
floor lamp,
floor lamp,
vase,
vase,
feather duster,
feather duster,
lock,
lock,
key,
key,
broom,
broom,
dustpan,
dustpan,
trash,
trash,
air conditioner,
air conditioner,
blanket,
blanket,
clock,
clock,
plug,
plug,
fan,
fan,
iron,
iron,
towel,
towel,
mirror,
mirror,
vacuum,
vacuum,
mop,
mop,
sponge,
sponge,
bucket,
bucket,
nightstand,
nightstand,
table,
table,
bookcase,
bookcase,
coat hanger,
coat hanger,
coat rack,
coat rack,
wardrobe,
wardrobe,
blender,
blender,
fridge,
fridge,
stove,
stove,
soap,
soap,
rubber gloves,
rubber gloves,
laundry basket,
laundry basket,
sink,
sink,
toilet,
toilet,
toilet paper,
toilet paper,
bathtub,
bathtub,
plunger,
plunger,
light bulb,
light bulb,
TV table,
TV table,
candle,
candle,
suitcase,
suitcase,
bed,
bed,
mattress,
mattress,
pillow,
pillow,
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.